Hello and welcome to Swedish Country Life. Today I have two things I have to do. First of all, we got this cable here that's sticking out of the ground. I need to get rid of this. Last year we replaced the box here that gives electric power to all the pastures. We moved it from this place to this place over here. And this cable were left here to sit for a while. It's both when we cutting the grass, you almost hit this, and also over here. From the corner there on the house all over to this place. There were a pole here before that the electric went from this place to all the pasture. This cable is still here. It seems to be a little worn. I think we have already cut it with a mower. We need to remove this. And another thing. Here we got a nice faucet that I can't use. I really need to do something about this too. The last owner, he managed to cut it with a tractor when he dug, or I don't know what he did, but I have my suspicions that when they dug this line, when they placed it in the soil, they probably dug up the water line too. You can see when you turn on the water comes up from the ground and it's like, oh, it's wet here. Why? So somewhere in this area the water line goes. But now let's turn on the water, let's go and find a pickaxe and a shovel and start digging. Yeah. So here we are, we got a shovel, we got the pickaxe, and it's time to dig a little. Okay. Oh. I think I found the metal grounding here. Jordspettet. There we go, nice. All right, we just located a metal grounding here, and nice to get rid of this one at least. So one cable less. So we can throw away this one and let's continue with this one. Perhaps I can just drag it out, that will be nice. Hey! It's deep. Okay, that was that shovel. All right, we got another one. So much stone. Little by little. Okay, I'm a little over halfway now, I think. Oh my. This is one of the worst things I have done for a while now, I think. There. And I think I'm halfway. Drinking a little water, resting for a while, and yeah, just digging. Whoa.
Oh, wow!
What? Oh, vad är det där? Fniss. I och med att den där kom upp här, undrar om det är exakt här de grävde av den då?
Ja.
För att det skulle inte bli ström.
Ja, för där går vattenslangen.
So we just found something interesting here. I have no idea what it is, but it's probably to isolate the thread from the water line that has been broken here. I guess so. So it doesn't get electricity in the ground. Probably. But now we can almost drag it out, and finally we don't need to dig. It's going up. Oh, there we go. Finally we got rid of this cable here, and yeah, we find a surprise here. One isolated pipe or something. I guess it's, yeah, someone have digged in this cable, and they taped it and put a little isolation over it. Anyway, get rid of this one. I think it was here. Now we just have to find the water line somewhere in this area. Vart fan den?
Så du har ju verkligen...
Ja, du kunde använda den. Har du tagit tillbaka den? Alltså, ja, nu kommer den knakar när jag kör. Det borde vara här.
Oj, jag hittade!
Oj! Stämde det?
Här är kabeln.
Yay! Look at that! She found it! Really nice. Then we can follow the cable now, the water line here, and we will probably find the source of the leakage. Yay! Bra gjort!
Men fy vad lågt den ligger. Wow, den var ju bara någon centimeter.
Man var ändå där.
Kolla.
Oj.
Försiktigt. Jag hittade den. Woho! Se vad grunt den är. Så här lägger man inte en vattenklubb.
Nej, det...
Eller ja, alltså då, man måste ju stänga av den på vintern och tömma så att den inte fryser. Men för att du ska kunna igång den och inte fryser, det här är ju till. Ja, du bara en decimeter. Oj.
Där har vi en koppling. Okay, we found something. Connection here. Wow, you lifting.
Vänta, ta det. Wow.
Oh, yeah. So this is how they fixed it. I wouldn't approve of this. I would do something else, I think. This is just... Why don't you just skarvar vidare? You know where it is, you have fixed it, but it isn't like it's loose. You can... Wow, this is bad. All right, we found it at least. So I guess the rest of the cable should be over here too then. Just continue digging. Nice, she found it again, and this is the broken off connect cable here. What?
Låt den vara.
What is this? Is this some kind of fix too? Wow. We have to buy another water line because this is much thicker than the other one we got. The ordinary vattenslang. But yeah, she found this too. Nice. So it's missing about 1.5 meter here. About. And it's dripping water there. At least we found it. That's the main part. So we can fill it up again and hope we can fix it soon. Jag hittar det här då. Oj vad man sliter sönder. Jag undrar vad de har gjort.
Så nu kan man ändå inte göra något.
Nej. Oh. Men vad händer nu?
Oj.
Vi måste ju...
Nej, du måste
Vi måste gräva
ner
hit så vi kan skära av den trasiga delen.
Ja, nu ska det vara så att du fixar det här imorgon då.
Ja, ja.
de har öppet till 18 så de har öppet 1,5 timme till.
Wow. Vem har dem?
Jula och Biltema.
Oh. All right, so this isn't any cable we have laying around, so I need to go and buy something. It is 2.5 centimeters wide, and this one is. This is also 2.5 centimeter. I need to buy a hose, 2 connections, so I can skarva them. And yeah, that is what I'm going to do now. My wife want to fill in this path here now. Really nice my wife came and found it, because I would dug somewhere else, I think. Anyway, yeah, let's continue. Alright, I'm back again. I found a couple of those PEM couplings. They were about $7 each. I took a saw with me to cut this, yeah. And I got this PEM hose. It's 10 meters and it's the same diameter and all that, so this is probably going to work. I really hope so. I think I need to dig a little more here to get the hose up a little more so I can cut it. And yeah, more digging. Woohoo! A little more to cut here. Perfect. Need to cut here, I think, because it has been bent there. There we go. It's a little flatter now. Oh. All right. So I got a brick here I can use. Really nice to have bricks laying around, just like that. And how do you do this? No idea. I'm just going to cut it, and it's probably going to pour out water because we had it on just a couple of hours ago, so it's probably filled. But yeah, let's cut it. There we go. Not so bad. All right. So we got the end pipe here. I don't think there's so much crap in it. Just water, that's good. Yep. Anyway, let's cut the other one, the other side. How do we cut this one then? Should have dug more, but I don't like to dig anymore. We try there. Oh wow! That was way easier. And as I feared, there are a lot of dirt in this pipe. You can see it here. There are dirt inside here. So I guess the pipe will be filled with dirt, sand and debris that have gone through it when it was broken. So that's not good. I'm thinking about flushing it from the other side, so you can get rid of all this muck. I'll try to do that. I need to get my other hose and yeah, let's see. So over here we got our tap. I will try to flush water from this side so it goes out there and hopefully all the debris will flush out with it. All right. All right, here we got our water gun. It's on high pressure now. I'm going to disconnect this, put it on that one. Yeah, it's more or less just exactly that I can reach it. There we go. And on with it. There. And there. Let's see. And there. Let's see. Something is coming out. Oh wow. It just popped here. Oh no. Water is coming out here. No. Oh well. I just saw the whole ground just pop and water is coming out now. That means I need to dig more. Oh yeah. There we go. I just turned it off over there. Turning it off here. Let's start digging. What in the world? I just found something here. We got a blue little tip there, so I guess they have tried to repair it before. There we have it. Oh wow, this is shallow. This is so shallow. A little metal rod, something. Oh, there we got the pipe. They have actually tried to repair it before, and that is not good. Because I were thinking about doing the exactly same thing now, and it didn't work for them. So I don't know. I need to repair it, of course, but should I try to do the same coupling? I take a cut here, fix it over there, then we got a coupling, and will it actually hold? I'm unsure now. Really bugging me now. It's so shallow too. It's easier to dig here actually. Over there were just rocks and all that stuff, but okay, we will continue digging then, I guess. Yay. Ja, det är bara att fortsätta. Ingen idé att laga.
Ja, men det räcker ju inte att dra hela. Ja, men där är den väl hel?
Ja, det är i så fall därifrån.
Ja, här verkar det okej.
Ja. All right, my wife didn't think I should dig up all this slang here. She tells me that it's unnecessary, and yeah, it's probably unnecessary. And I can try to flush it again and see if we got any more muck that can go out. Hopefully it will just come out water here, and we will do that instead because she said so. So let's turn on the water again and start the flushing.
Du vet om det läcker mer då?
Det ser du direkt, för det sa verkligen plopp. Och sen där röret som satt där i, det flög ut. Så nu sätter jag bara på vattnet där uppe. Så får vi... Nej, jag stängde av den för annars skulle det spruta hela tiden. So, she is running and turning on the water now. Let's close this one first. She can do it. Precis. Det var inte bara där utan var... Nej, jag stängde av. Nu får du öronen sätta på där. Så. Nej. Nu är det ju som ett stopp där. Och nu kom det vatten. So we got a continuous water flow here. That's good. And all right, so I'm going to cut it here instead. Get rid of this part. All right, so let's cut this pipe again. It's not even the same pipe, but yeah, already wet, so it doesn't matter. Let's see if this is harder than the other one. No, it's really soft too. There we go. Cut, and it is a little stuff in it. Really don't like that. I'm thinking about instead of just cutting this pipe as it is, let's connect it on that one. Then I come this way, connect it to this one without cutting it. Then I will see if it holds the water, if there are any more leaks somewhere, and I think I'm going to do that. So yeah. All right. And to save some money, I could actually use these ones, but they have been in the ground I don't know how long. The other one burst, it didn't hold up, and it will feel a little better if I use the new ones everywhere without any old hose or all these couplings. But open this. See how we do this one. I have never put on those before. How hard could it be? Yeah, I think this should go over the pipe here, like that. And that one on the other side. On with this one. There. It stops there. Okay. We thread this here. So, all right, let's open this. Ah, there we go. Wow, this is not a flexible one. I don't have any knife on me. I should have one. Ah, there. Ah. Wow, it's not bendable at all. Woo. There we got the plop out, and let's do this again. On with that one. There. On with that one. That. And in with it. And screw it on. Damn, that is a tough pipe. Really hope it holds on now. Alright, let's connect the other one there, and yeah, one more time, yes. On with this one. That one. There. Black tube. So. And screw it on. Yeah, now it's getting tougher. And take out the prop, put on the blue one and the white one there. And now the worst part is to line them up. It really isn't flexible at all. Oh, oh wow. Oh no, did I break it? That was not good. Okay, so I guess this one should be there. There. Plop. And no, fuck inside. First thing I do is to break it, of course. There, okay, it's like a seal in there now. On with this one. Oh, fy fan, jävlar. Oh, I think it's in now. On with the white and screw it on. Hope it holds. It's the. I would not like to do this every day. Okay, it's as seal as I can get it. Now let's put on the water and see if it holds up. Oh, wow. Alright, the water is turned on. So far, so good. Doesn't leak anywhere here. So, cross my fingers that it holds. Alright, let's take out this one. Plop. And see if it works. Oh, wow! Jävlar. Yeah, it works good. Yeah, let me spit a little. Wow, that's some pressure in it. Wow, wow, wow. Much more than this hose from the stable. I think the air is out now. Oh, it works like a charm. I really like this. I really like it. Oh, yes. Then we move on. So now I need to shut it down, take out the connection here I'd made on this side, cut the new fresh one, put it in again, turn on the water and hope it holds up again. It looks like it, but really hope it. So yes, there we go. I have turned off the water. Let's disconnect this one. Yeah, this one. That one can be. Line it out, cut it, on with it again, and I'm soon there. Woohoo! There's a lot of water in this one. Off with that. Off with that one. This one. Plop. And a little loosely, I guess, so it doesn't stramar åt so much. So that will be good. Good, good. It's leaking. Ah! Oh, fuck. Oh. Okay, it's enough now. Stop. There we go. On with the plop. So we don't get any muck in here. There we go. On with the blue one. On with the white one. There. Black one. Something like that. And press it in. Oh wow. Fuck. I put the white on the wrong side. Fuck. Out again. White on the right side. Black one. On with the seal ring. There. I think. And in with it. Fuck. With the seal ring again. Fy fan. Jävlar. Kom igen då din jävla helvete. Yes, så. Yes. Quick. Close it. I really hope it works. All right, that's the best I can do. Let's go and turn on the water again and see if it holds up. That's the main part. Hope it holds up. All right, we got pressure in the water line again and it's looking good. Great. Now let's see if it comes out something. All right. Yeah! All there, coming out. Oh. Wow, that's some pressure actually. Great! I did it. Oh, I'm so glad now. Going to hold this down gently, down like that. Hope it stays. Little soil over, or place it on the side. I don't want it to break now. And there we go. Let's fill it up. All right, I have filled it up. Now let's see what the wife says about the finish here. See if she likes it. All right, so she's going to turn it on. I connected it to the hose here and all the way to the water baljor. Har du satt på i garaget?
Nej, jag stängde av den.
Ja.
Okej, då gör vi om det här.
All right, soon. I have gone 1.5 years now and thinking about this fixing, and finally I did it, and I'm so happy to have made it now. Now let's see.
Wow, den ska vara...
Längs med, inte uppåt.
första gången använda den här kranen.
Så den är nog på några...
Nu.
Ja, nu hörs det.
Det bara var ett lyx helt plötsligt. Ja, det funkar på bra där.
Upp, jävlar, geting. Usch. All right, so let's see. Yay, works. Det kan vara vatten, det kan vara luftigt så
Jo,
är det
jag
bara.
vet, det brukar jag.
Oh well, it seems to work. That's good. Just taking a while, but
I'm happy.
yay.
Good work.
All right, I'm finished, I'm done, and I'm really happy about the result. It wasn't just to dig it up because it was so much more than that. So what do you say about my work here? Was it okay? Was it badly done, or I don't know. I'm happy anyway, and my wife is happy, so that's the main part. Well, anyway, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.